Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to add pop-up box to your Wix website. The kind of that shows up when someone visits to your site or click a button. If you have ever wondered how to create a message box or promo alert or collect emails using pop-ups, this is perfect video for you. And don't worry, we are going to keep it super beginner friendly and I will walk you through every single click. Now, first thing first, what you have to do is just simply head over to wix.com to log into your account. Once you are logged in, pick the website you want to edit and click the edit website. For example, I will select this one. Just simply click on this. Now this will open up what is called Wix Editor. As you can see here, just click on the edit side. So it will take me to Wix Editor. Now, just a quick note, if you see something called Wix Studio at the top left, don't worry, we are using regular Wix Editor today, not Wix Studio. It is just showing that label because the account might be connected to both, but everything we are doing works in a regular Wix as well. As you can see here, this is Wix Studio and we are in the Wix classic dashboard. Now, let's add a lightbox. What you have to do on the left side, you will get the editor. You will see a vertical menu. Click on the add. Just click on this plus icon. Now that's the one with the plus icon, and from the list appearance, scroll down a little bit. You have to choose interactive, and from the interactive, inside the interactive section, choose lightbox. A lightbox is a just Wix fancy name for a pop-up box. As you can see, you will get subscribe, promotion and contact. I will choose for the subscribe, and what you have to do, you will now go ahead and choose any template that fits your goal. For example, if you uh, if you just simply take this as an example, this is a subscribe pop-up option. Now just simply after choosing your template, what you have to do is just simply click on the add. So it will open something like this. Now that's the lightbox is your page. You can customize everything over here. You can click on the text and change the message. For example, just simply click on the text, and from here you can give name, please subscribe. As you can see here, from here you can change the style as well in the font. If you go into font, you can change font as well. Yeah, you can customize everything. Now the change of color or font, just click on the element you want to edit and use the mini menu that pops up, as you can see here. Now you can also resize the pop-ups and drag the corner and even move it to around neat. For example, I will do simply make it shorter. So yeah, you can just resize these corners and these things. Now let's now the important part, let's set when the pop-ups actually appears. What you have to do is just simply click on the pop-up ones, then click on the settings, and okay, I have to come to this setting. This is the overlay setting. Wait for a few seconds. Now if you don't go to get setting, what you have to do is just simply click on this. You will get this and it will pop up something like this. Then from here you can change the settings of appears, how it appears. For example, you can change automatically on page load, uh, like you can greet for welcome message. When a visitor clicks on a button, you can appear this pop-up and only one specific page. You can set for only one specific page, like handly. If you want the pop-up to only show on your home page, it will from here you can manage that. From there, what is the lightbox name, what we'll do is subscribe. You can change the setting name and click on the this is the lightbox page settings. So you can show this lightbox on any of your page. It is displayed once per visitor. On the first page they will see page. Now automatically displayed lightbox on page. If you click on the no, then your lightbox can be triggered by any button or link to your website. So you can add a link over here, link to lightbox, and if you give automatically, so it will automatically appear. Now from here you can choose which page is it on. For example, this is in the shop. I want this to be pop up on my home page. What I will do, I'll just simply go, and I think I have no home page, but for example this is my home page or my account. Just select it and put it over here. So two pages are selected where this pop-up will occur. The delays, you can give delays as well. So choose what suits your site best. You can even like set delays, like show the pop-ups after 5 seconds of landing on the page or 20 seconds. So I will give 5 seconds. So if you scroll down a little bit, choose when your site visitors see this lightbox. You can set a schedule as well, but yeah, I don't want to set. Now clear schedule. How does lightbox close? With close button, uh, or you can create this cross icon. Now I will choose close button so viewer don't get irritated. So this is how you can customize your pop-up message. Now let's connect to a button. If you want the pop-up to open when someone clicks a specific button, so first what you have to do is just add a button from the add menu style it however you want. For example, so before we move to connect to a button, or if you go into emails, from here you can add more elements into it. For example, just simply click over here and click on the elements. So you can add new fields like contact fields, first name, last name. You can add new field as well. For example, this is close button. Now add more, and if you want to change layout you can change that too. For example, this is the layout. You can change as per your needs. So if you go into email, this is a little bit hectic. Just put it over here. Now move up this. Yeah, this is a basic design. Don't focus on the website design. If you want to add image, for example, just simply add this image, edit image, click on the edit image. If you want to make AI generated image, you can see AI image editor. You can take that too. What I will do, I'll just simply go into object eraser. Okay, I think uh, this is the editor. I need page change image. Click on the change image. For the changing the image, you can use other media from Wix. So let me select the picture. This is choose image. Now it will replace this image, so that's not that good. Now this is how you can if you want to set image as a background, you can set as do like this. So now let's move to how you can connect that. For example, someone click the specific button on the pages, so subscriber form will appear. So what you have to do is go to site menu and choose the page where you want to add that button. For example, I will choose contact me, and now here what I will do, I will just simply add a new button over here. For example, this one. Okay, add elements again, choose button, and it will choose. So let me just remove from here, make it big. And if you want to rechange the name of this button, you can change it by double clicking. Just change the name, subscribe now. So yeah, Now just simply click on this button to link the page. Click on the link, go in the bottom, you will get to see this light box. Select that and choose the page which is subscribe. Click on the done. Now this is whenever someone click on the subscribe now, it will pop up that subscribe page pop up. Now what we will do, I will add one more button into our that pop-up box. Just go into a pop-up page, select the button. Now you can redirect from, for example, I will add button over here. Now click on the link. Now you have to choose the page. For example, why should we add this button into subscribe button? Okay, don't need to add button, but if you want to add button for a specific reason, for the welcome or anything, right now I don't need to add button into subscribe, but if you want to, you can add that button into this and link that button with these pages. As you can see, they have a lot of options. You can click on the none, and you can click on the page, email, phone number, web address. You can paste a URL over here, for example google.com. So click on this. If you want to open into new window or current window, you can select that. How does it open? To simply click on done and save all. Now it's time to review. Just click on the preview over here, and as you can see, we got our like subscribe button. Enter first name, last name, email address. This is my email. I'll click on the submit. So it will could not submit from due to temporary issue, so there is a problem. Now if you want to close this, you can close it by just simply clicking on the close. Now if someone wants to subscribe, whenever someone click, it will open this, as you can see here. Now if you go into our button, someone click on that button, it will redirect to google.com. So that's it. So this is the way you can add pop-up into your Wix website. For you can now use this for promotions, collecting emails or alert, anything you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for easy Wix tips, and thanks for watching.